This is, I find, very useful. Using SecureCRT, you can set it up in the defaults to automatically go and log any session you've got up and running. And the way you do that is go into global options, go to edit default settings and press log file, and there you specify where you want to deposit your files. In my case, I've used downloads and created a folder called logging, and over here is, as you can see, user O'Reilly downloads logging. So this is where all of the automatically created files, logging files for each host, will be deposited. Plus that, you can add some variables here, such as year, month, day, and so on. These are all shown down here: host name, percentage, capital H is host name, and so on. I found that the host name is really the IP address, and the session name is the name of the host, curiously enough. But anyway, and start upon log connect. That's important. And also you can decide whether you want to overwrite the new file or append it. Each time the file is opened, you can type here, upon connect, type what you like really, but this is the session name, host, and hours and minutes. And when you exit the host, this is what's written into the text file. It's very, very useful, that I find. Anyway, so let's go ahead and show you how to do it. So once you've done all that, pop along here, go to your session manager. I'm going to log into this box here, double click, and you can see it's logged in. Nice thing about SSH, it does this for you. And over here you can see the date, time. It's R1, this is the host name, R1, LB10, blah 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 blah. IP address is there. So let me just go. First thing I'm going to do is go and put terminal length 0, because then you don't have to keep hitting return each time you do something. So we'll do something simple, show platform, for example. Then over here, if I click on the log and open it with BB edit, for example, and I'll just open up the wrong file, you can see there's a copy of the actual text file. So if I come along here and say, let's go look at some, let's see, PTP. So if I say data set current, you can see it updates here, show platform servo, and so on. So it's really nice to be able to do that and capture it. And it says here start recording blah 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 at 10:35. That's because I put that in the default. But also if I go and open another file, because this is in the default global, let's bring up R2, double click that, and this is R2. You can see a new file's opened up here. Again, if I do something like say version, so I'm running 761 on R2. If I open this one up, it says R2, if I could read it. Must be this one here, yeah, R2. And open that with BB edit. There we are. So you're getting as you put it on there, it writes it into there, even if you make a mistake like that. So it's kind of nice. So then when you leave, if I say exit this one, I'll just kill it there. Let's just come out of there. And then if I go back into the same router later to later date, say R1 again, you can see that a new R1's created, but this time with a different time on here. That's it.